Hello everyone and welcome to Factorio. I'm Par and today I'm gonna be playing my real-world DeathWorld game. Let's get started. I almost said C-block. Nope, it is not C-block time, it's DeathWorld time. Let's see, where did we stop in the previous episode? We finished upgrading kind of these train stations and we have discovered, well, we built military outposts. And the idea is that we want to go here to mine all of this iron ore over there. The issue is this. I thought about what's happening here, and I think I understand the problem. I'm not 100% sure. All right, let's go there. I need to be over there. Here we will go. Yep, we will take this route. Right, would it work? No, this is not it. Using left-hand drive, right? So it's this one. We're supposed to jump on, and I would like to drive. Oh, I cannot do it. What? Oh, right. My bad. This is where I want to be. Okay, let's drive over there. It's the easiest. Yep, this is a good route. I need to make the trains exit the stackers here a little bit better. I need to make sure that there are no traffic jams. I think I can do it. The problem is that the trains here are waiting for to... Actually, they are not even waiting for too long because they're able to accelerate pretty quickly. They have what? Less than half a tile, half a chunk. Yeah, that's a little bit surprising. Exactly what's going on there. Can we cross here? Yes, we should be able to. Let's go like this, and I'd like to landfill this area a little bit. Now, should I push this one further out? I don't know. I don't know what to do now. Oh, we might be able to clear this area. I think we should. We should be able to clear all of it here, and maybe also here. But to do that, I would need... Oh yeah, I would need to extend this line. Okay, we can do it later. Maybe. I should have started with that, actually. I should have started with that. It's okay. It is okay. Alright, we have arrived. Let's go here, and I want to change the setup a little bit. I want to extend, I want to have this extra line with trains. I want to go like that, and the trains to split up right here I guess that's good enough, right? I want to split them right there. And then... Oh no, can we do it? We did it. Is it here? Basically don't want copper trains to stay in this kind of traffic waiting for the merge into one line. So we have this problem with the merge. It is not very fast. It causes the trains to slow down, and I will try to make it work without any extra combinators. So maybe in the end I will have to add combinators. And control the green lights a little bit better. Would be a bit unfortunate. I never had combinator controlled train merging. I actually haven't really thought it through how I'd want to do it, but the idea why it's nice probably is because once the train is green and like multiple trains started moving, it's most likely better to let them, like, multiple of the trains to go through and move into the lane. And we'll see. Okay, now we do have our Spider-Town friends here. That is really, really good. So something like this. Place this thing there. Yeah, this is it. This is it. These are basically our Spider-Towns. I want to copy this part and place it most likely right there. I don't think it particularly matters how exactly I do that part. Let's go here, let's copy this two, and we'll place them. Should I maybe do it like this? This might be better. The middle one. Probably do the same thing for this two. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. I cannot believe it. I honestly cannot believe it. That we're experiencing this level of train congestion. It's too much. It is too much. Okay, what's happening next? I don't think I want to have it here anymore. Look at this. We'll have it like this. And yeah, and we have this one there. Okay, good. We do have some trains that took this path in, right? We have quite a few of trains that are going there. Where are you going in the end? Okay, you're going to that side. This is good. We're having a couple of them there. Perfect. But it doesn't change the fact that this merge is not as great as it could have been. Well, it's actually not a bad merge. That's the problem. It's not that bad. Now this train will have to stop. Is this gonna be enough? Probably won't. Probably will not be enough. Oh, it actually wants to go left. That's surprising. This also wants to go over there. This is very surprising because normally these trains are not supposed to go over there. Yep, all of these trains are taking a wrong route. They're all taking a wrong route. Is this one gonna be taking wrong route as well? Nope. So let's maybe wait for these 3 trains to get through. Oh, come on. Wait, what? Why did this train not decide to go forward? Interesting. So this train is letting all these ones to go. We're just not getting enough time to start the movement. Now it should be able to go for it. Go for it. Very, very interesting. Is this enough? There's like one extra line that I added. Probably won't be enough. What? Wait. Oh, it's waiting because the other trains. That's very interesting. I could add a couple of extra. I could add a couple of extra signals here at the entrance. Should I? Should I do that? I could also move this line further to the right and let the merge happen right here. I would actually like to do that. Yep, I do. I don't want to do it like this. The reason is as follows. Why would I want that? I want the trains to go here so that they don't compete with this like entrance to the intersection. They don't slow down intersection. That's the idea. I don't want intersection to be slowed down. And able to this one. We do need. Is this set up there? Just oh. around one spot. No. Okay. Let's place it there. It's gonna be right. Oh, need one tile more. One tile higher. One tile higher, like this, right? And now I think we can copy paste it just fine. Let's do it. Here. Here. Perfect. And this one, I guess, do something like this. Right, yep, perfect. All right. It's pretty interesting situation. I don't know whether what I'm doing is actually gonna fix the problem, but I know for sure that we have a problem with output, with output trains, not the input ones, but with how they are merging into this train lines. And I basically have two options: either rethink train routes and the lengths of this like train segments to achieve hopefully a little bit smoother train acceleration. So that's one basically approach that I could take. And the other one that I could do, the other thing I could do is try to create some circuit controlled train merger, which I don't know, it just doesn't sound like an ideal thing to do. Okay, good, let me cross over here. Now, what do we have here? Let's think. Let's think what do we actually have at this point. I don't believe we should have this path. Yep. Just have all the trains turn left. This is good. Next. This signal is probably unneeded at this point. One, two, three. Good. What is happening here now? We don't really have train congestion. At that point, we do have it at, at the exit here. Oh, this is crazy. Not exit, but like exit from the intersection. We cannot, like the trains cannot get into the stacker. I do have a way to make it a little bit easier for at least copper trains. Right, many of the copper trains will be coming from the left side, I feel. And I could kind of extract them from the side pretty much immediately. It should a little bit lighten the load. Wait, why are the trains here staying? Not doing anything. Oh, I don't allow them to speed up quickly enough. Okay. Understandable. Let's go there and fix it. Basically making random changes to the rail network until the thing mostly works. I never thought I would be hitting this kind of limit. Very unexpected. I didn't think that we'll have problems with just like, you know, maintaining the throughput of the, you know, of the train stops, because what we actually have here, this intersection, the one below, I think it can support 90 trains per minute. So, like, I don't know whether it actually supports it right now, but it's supposed to be, like, to have approximately that throughput. I don't think it actually gets it. Alright. Let's go up there. Maybe I should have used spider trans for that. That's okay. Now I want the trains to leave the yard sooner than they currently are, right? They're just a little bit too cautious for my tastes. Just a tiny bit too cautious. Let's quickly go to the site. I can add a thing here, and how should I do it? I don't know. I could like add in the middle, so the train will go here. I want to let it accelerate. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm just leaving it room for acceleration. No, it's not. I'll do it like this. This seems to be right in the middle. I like it more. Okay. Let's I don't know. Paste it here, delete it, cancel deletion. Like this. Right, now trains should be able to accelerate from this entrance really well. I might even move this one slightly lower. Like this, just to make things a little bit nicer. And yeah, all the trains from there are able to get out pretty quickly. What about this one? Let's also fix that train. Is it? I don't really expect to have this many iron trains exiting the stacker, but we could have, you know, a couple. Let's take a look at how many trains we have. We have 4 trains en route here. This is good. Just add some random things here, like this one, somewhat increasing distances. Looks good. We could add a couple here. Doesn't particularly matter how exactly we place them. Like, I don't know, I could place this one right in the middle. Yep, something like this. Shouldn't have any problems with the trains getting out of the stackers now. Okay, maybe we want to add these things as well. Let's do it. Okay, let's just go and double check that we have this. Train stops. So now we should have a really good flow of copper trains out of the stacker at least. I should not be waiting. There could be traffic jams further down the line, but that's alright. It's okay. Let's get across. What are we doing here? Should I let the train speed up here? I kinda want to be honest. I do want to. Okay, like this. Trains out there. Now, could also allow them to go like this. And capture under this part. And like this. Oh. Now trains should have a really good path out of there. They might even block the route, but that's okay because as soon as train moves here, it's not supposed to block anything further. At least that's kind of the idea, I guess. Now, for this part, let's see. Open this. Pasting. We do have an issue with this radar. Let's move it over. That. Perfect. For symmetry, I feel like I have to move the other radar over. Right? Or I have to... you know what? Symmetry is overrated. It's fine. Let's place it here. And we'll place something there. Good. Here we go. Maybe like this as well. So now we have a really fast exit from the trains, and they still have to wait there at the entrance. Actually, the traffic jam goes this far. Wow, and here it also goes this far, even further. This is actual traffic jam. Alright, that's okay, that's okay. We can do something about it. I hope I'll be able to do something about it. Let's cross this real quick. Takes forever for the trains to get to the stacker. It feels like it's not really the problem with like train merging or anything. I feel that this thing, this circuit's base, is like pushing two-rail kind of train system to the limit. That's what it feels to me. Wait, why did it turn like that? It's strange. Yeah, alright. Have this. This is for the trains. Okay, we can actually place them in the middle. It doesn't matter. Doesn't particularly matter how nice they are. Right, okay, let's go. What do I want to have here? I would like to have something like this. Right? Let's copy it. I'm gonna paste it many times. Just want to have really good flow of trains going there. I might have gone too far with this. Let's see. So what do I need to do here? I need to landfill this area, I think, and I would want to take this thing. How would the train go? The train would go I would say, from that side. It's almost like a left-hand drive. It's almost like left-hand drive here. Yep, exactly. So we'll have it here, 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 here. That. I'll just do it. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Okay, good. Let's continue. I'll follow this. Couple, not a couple, just one. Wait, what? It's not exactly symmetrical. Alright, because we are moving from left side to right side. It's okay. It is okay. That you know, something like this. Nope. Something like this. Good, let's proceed. How's the exit? It's almost doing fine. Not exactly fine, but close enough. Because, because we have this crossing of the trains coming from that side and the trains needing to go to the left side. Understandable, to be honest. What's the amount of resources that we have? Wait, what? We don't have the connection? No way, I'm missing a connection there. I want to fix it. Right, we have 15 copper trains. That is not a lot. It looks like we are short on copper. We're actually running out of copper, of all things. That's very surprising. This is super surprising. Very, very surprising situation. Okay. Right, let's do it. Let's copy this. We want the line to go there. Like this. Let's try again. Alright. Alright. We are slowly but surely doing it. 1, 2. Nope. 3. 4. Perfect. Set 2 of them here, 1 of them in the middle, cause why not? Okay, good. We are in a pretty good shape here now. Next thing that I'd like to do, I'd like to go to the entrance of the trains that are coming, like after making a left turn, using the intersection from west to north direction. And I want to allow them to go straight to the copper stacker. Let's do it. So basically these trains that are going here, I want to let them go straight. And actually I could make it more interesting. I could allow them to go straight from here. Right from here instead, right? This would be even better, I feel like. Let's go. Let's do it. Would it actually be even better? No, it wouldn't be better. Let's cancel these plans. It wouldn't be better because well, it would. It would allow copper trains to move out earlier to allow and essentially allow the other trains iron trains to let's just delete this whole thing like that, and it would allow iron trains to stay here and wait in the like for the other traffic to become smaller. That's interesting. Very interesting. Let's go. We'll build that one. Okay, good. This can make a turn, I would assume, well, somewhere. We'll figure it out. Now, if I take this spot, paste it here and paste it there, it's not exactly in the middle, right? It's all shifted. Do I care about the fact that it's shifted? You know what? I don't think I particularly care. It's alright. I just need, like, it doesn't need to be like super precise. I just need train stops approximately once every chunk. That's it. That's literally it. You could make it like nice and whatnot, but why would I spend time on it when I'm not sure whether this solution would even work in the end. Okay. We are doing it. Slowly. But it's happening. Just drag it same way further up. We have lots of rails, that's good. That's a good sign. Oh, I don't have enough of this, guys. I don't have enough of the signals. Unfortunate. But at least I placed signals over there, so that's good. Let's remove the spot, make the line connect like this. What do we have here? I guess it... oh, wait, we are supposed to be placing these things on the other side. Oh no. Too bad. I'm gonna redo them. I'm gonna redo them. The signals were all wrong. Unfortunate. Wow. Okay, how should I do it? I should probably just remove all of the signals on this side. Yeah, they're all wrong. All of them are placed incorrectly. Okay, now if I copy this slice and start pasting them, I think this should do the trick. Well, we don't have traffic jam here anymore. That is good. It's quite nice. How many do I have? I have 10. 10 should be enough there, I think. Let's go. Can do it. Okay. Are we done? Well, almost. Let's place it. And I think we are good to go from this point on. Why is this one not going anywhere? Oh, come on. It lost the... Oh, I see. I see. It was supposed to go to the stacker. It's because I deleted it. I deleted the rails and then canceled deletion, but it didn't turn on the train to its initial position. Unfortunate. Do we have any train route going straight through here or not? I wonder. It's surprising, like this copper train, why don't you... Okay, it actually might take this turn. Let's take a look, let's observe the spot. Does it work the way I planned or not? You also could have a problem with this intersection, but you know, whatever. I have bigger issues at this point. Yes, copper train took the left turn here, left route. This is perfect. This is actually perfect. And yeah, they're gonna merge here somehow. It's okay, I don't really expect to have problems merging these two copper trains. Shouldn't be an issue. I mean, it still might be an issue, but it shouldn't. I don't expect it to be an issue. Now, what do we have here? We essentially have 3 inputs from the right, from the top, and 3 routes kind of at the bottom. What is this train? How did it end up here? Coal. How did we get coal train there? Oh, from this stop. I see. Maybe I need to redo this thing to make it slightly more optimal. And also this one might be made slightly more optimal than it is right now. Let's go. Let's try to... Can I, like, take a ride? Yeah. The goal is to make trains wait as little as possible. Okay? Yeah, so let's say I have... Not corner, I have the spot. Right? And I have this spot. I want to reroute it a little bit, I want to make it slightly better. And I also have the other one. Let's also get this one here. I'll change them here and then just replace them on the right. So this is... these are my trains. I'm actually short on rail signals and other things. Let me quickly go up to the station that we have here, this outpost. Let's do it. And now the robots should bring me all the stuff that I care about. And I guess take all the stuff that I don't care about. You can see that 50 are on the way. This is good. Okay, we got 50 already. I don't think we need to wait for anything at this point. Let's go back. One entity is still missing construction routes. I cannot believe it. Wait, but there should be... Oh, we don't have the repair thingies. I see. Okay, that's unfortunate. We don't have repair packs over there. How come? How come we don't have repair packs? That is very unusual, because I would expect... Oh, I see. It might be only part of the military train. Should we just add some military thing here? You know what, let's do it. Let's set military train. Trains. Where are they? This is artillery, this is military, and yes, we do have the packs, repair packs, because that train is gonna arrive there at some point, right? It's this one. It is gonna arrive at some point, and when it arrives, we will have this. We will have repair packs. Yeah. Perfect. Now let's go. I need to merge. Let's also place those blocks here. I need to ensure that these trains merge the fastest. Right? How can I do it? I could try. So what I wanted to kind of try here, I want to see whether it's gonna work if I perform the merge into the middle. Okay, like this. The exact setup that we have on the right. Pretty much. Okay. Like this. Can I make this better? I think this is much better because there is less time, like less distance between... What's actually this one? Why do I have this signal? This signal is not supposed to be here. The signal is left over from the old build. But yeah, I could try to merge them like this. And then I could bring them to this side, right? Like that. This will be gone, obviously. Go like this, and let's think. Gotta think a little bit about what's going on here. I want the trains to be able to enter this area as soon as they can. Okay, let's do two things. The output. I want the trains to start accelerating as soon as they can. That means that once they crossed this, like once the other train leaves this area, this segment, the yellow one, I want the other one to start moving, and the other one will start moving. And while the other one is starting up, I need to make sure that the other train is able to leave the next segment as well. I would say I could place them like this, and it should probably be enough. Right? We have lots of opportunity for the trains to speed up. I think this is this would be perfect. Yeah, let's copy it. And pretty much just... Wait, what? Not here. There. We'll paste it over there. Except it doesn't really work. It's okay. Let's from that part. This is how I want it to work. How do I ensure everything Looks fine here, let's see. Well, I basically temporarily delete this part. I'll temporarily delete that one. Very temporarily. I'll temporarily delete this one. Okay, all of this is gone. I kind of broke the chains a bit. Let's paste it here. Alright, and I need this thing to be done, I guess, like that. Right, this is it. Now all the train schedules should work. And I really hope that we should have no problems with trains merging here. Okay, one is going, another is going. I mean, we have like a distance of a couple of trains between them, but I guess it's alright. Cannot do much better. Okay, at least stuff works. Now, let's fix the merging of these ones. Actually, before we do, I think I can speed this up a little bit better. We have pretty long stacker here, right? We are letting the trains wait here for quite a bit. These trains cannot wait for much, and this one also can wait. I'm looking at the distance of the buffer here. Oh, for the middle line, it's pretty long. For the left one, it's also very, very long. For the right one, it's pretty short. And I'm thinking, should I add some smartness here? We can do a couple of things. If I add this signals, it's not gonna cost me anything at all. It will just allow, like, it will potentially allow short trains, like one-to-one trains from train logistic system to stack in here, and this might prevent another long train for like staying behind, but it's still better if it stays at this point and has like some tail kind of sticking behind, compared to staying behind and completely occupying the block. Now, what I am unsure is, can I do the same thing here? Let's see, where would one by one train stop? Oh, it didn't stop here. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's delete this slice real quick. And we probably messed up the train. It's alright. It's completely fine. I just want to use this train as like a measuring kind of stick thingy. Let's swap it to manual. We are going forward and we'll stop as soon as we are past the intersection. Let me go there. Because I want to make sure that there is enough room for this train here behind. Let's do it. No room, no room. Wait, is this it? Is this actually the distance? This is red. This is one is red. Okay, now it's green. This one is red. Wait, I'm confused. This one is green, but if I go forward, now it's red. Okay, good. Let's step back a little bit more. This is it. I could step back a little bit more, just in case. So that's the distance of the train. And I can easily add a thing right here. Right? Okay, you are going to the stacker. And this will allow the train behind to start crossing just a tiny bit earlier. Here. The train from the right line will start moving to the left one just a tiny bit earlier than it could have had. Otherwise, yeah, and I think this is gonna be useful. Yes, because I want to allow the trains, you know, a little bit. Like, I want the trains to move with slightly better average speed, so that more trains can get past this segment. Okay, now this part that we have on the other side, it's also not ideal, right? Let's say we'll have a very, very similar setup here, like that, except the directions of the signals are supposed to be go like the other way, like this. The outputs. This is a merge. Okay. Right, and I basically want to have this one. Let's see where. Oh. No, this wouldn't do. This one is wrong, like this. I need to allow them to move as fast as possible. So probably this is the way, so that they are able. They will still have to occupy this single tile. I mean, they're already kind of doing it. They have to occupy this line right now, all three of them. But I'm shortening the slice so that, like, hopefully it will improve the throughput for them just a little bit. Yeah, so I'm basically doing this thing. Let's copy it. I'll place it on the other side and then I'll connect it somehow. I'll just cross it. Crossing. Okay, good. Let's something like this. Let's cut it off here, cut it off there. Should be good enough. Then all the chains will leave, and I will replace this segment. We'll make it hopefully slightly better. And I think this is the furthest I can push it without... Well, okay, that's actually not true. Could make it better. I could make this things merge here. It's almost the furthest I can push this part without using circuits. Without having to use circuits. Okay, let's place it here. Oh, wait. I can actually have such connections. How nice. Very, very nice. This is it, right? Let's make sure we... I mean, it all looks fine. I don't think we need to really do anything specific there. Let's This one here. I think that's it. I almost wish that I had this merges in my design of these intersections from the very beginning. But it's okay. It's okay. Not a big deal. Let's observe what is going on here. Does it work correctly or not? The train is going further. Okay, this line is experiencing some problems. I need to make sure that there is enough space for one train, but I can actually let the trains move further faster. How can I do it? I can do it, for example. Yep, let me place one here. No, it was too late. I did block the path. Yep, I did. Let's wait for another train to make left turn there. Okay, here it is. It will stop somewhere. It got a stop. Train? Hello? Yep, good. The train stopped. Now, I would love... Let's see. Does it matter how I place this thing? Like, if I block another train here, it is not really an issue, I feel, or it could be an issue. I want the train to start moving when I know there is going to be enough space. And if, let's say, the train left this point, I know already that the other train can start moving further. So let's try to do it like this. And honestly, there is no problem if this path gets like completely blocked like it is now. It's alright. Is it? I think it's alright. I'm not quite certain. This one here. Oh, wait. This is slightly different. We might need to place the signals in a different spot. Let's see. Where is... You know what? I don't want to do that. This was a bad choice. I need to drop a locomotive here. This is much better. So let's see where the other train will stop. And whether the one before will be red. Yep, perfect. This is great. And then as soon as it starts moving, the next one will go and basically we'll know that we have enough room in front. Like what I'm doing here, this trick with intersection design, it doesn't really work that well when you have trains of different sizes, different lengths. It works much better when all the trains have uniform size, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. I'm just trying to extract as much as possible from this place. Are we done here? Let's see. Let's wait. I want to make sure that there are no obvious no issues with the train pathing. It's going well. We do have a really long queue. Very long queue. I am kind of surprised how long it is. One other thing that I almost forgot, I want to connect them to this network, just so that if I click on, you know, somewhere here, I'll be able to, well, not click, but hover, I'll be able to see exactly what's going on with my materials. This is iron, this is iron, this is iron, this is iron, iron, iron. Alright, because all of them here will be iron, but here we do have a couple of copper chains. Why did they end up going there? This is copper, and this one is copper. It's interesting. Okay, that one is going, and this one will go, and the other train will stop, unfortunately. It will go where? They all going to the left. It's fine. So it might make sense for me to merge these two lanes a little bit earlier. Is it a good idea? And right now we are staggering them. Like, they're making a stop here. It would be much better if you let like 2 or 3 trains through. I could calculate it by the amount of ticks, by like number of ticks, and then control the signal manually. But it might not be the greatest thing, to be honest. Again, partially because I don't, like, I expect a lot of copper chains to take the left route. We still have some copper chains, well, left from the side. We still have some copper chains taking this, like, middle route, which is a little bit surprising. I could penalize it a little bit more by adding some train stops. Why is this happening? I think it's because we actually have a lot of copper on the left. Well, we also have a lot of... It's mostly iron, actually, on the left. Right. It's almost exclusively iron. The amount of copper on the left is not that great, not that high. Interesting. We also have iron straight down there. Did we solve the problem, or do we still have it? I can't say that it got really solved. That's the problem. It's iron, copper. Copper will try to go to the left here, for sure. Yeah, copper will go to the left. This copper will also go to the left. And that copper will take left route. Iron, iron, copper, steel. Okay, what is it doing here? It just wants to get straight. Go straight. That's all right. I could extend the split off to this point, and even this one, but I don't think it's really needed. It's okay what we have here. So a lot of copper trains are trying to live like that. I'm thinking, should I just allow them to turn around here? Oh, and when they're going, they're actually penalized quite heavily. Do I want to penalize the traffic over there? Because it essentially forces copper trains to go into the middle for the most part. Do I want to penalize traffic to that side? The thing is, I don't think so. Where are my spidertrons? Let's send them there. Why did I do it? I think I've done it to like prevent some routes around the... Oh, right, it's to prevent the routes coming back, but I didn't realize that the trains at the time when I did it, they were able to go here in one direction and then return in the other direction because this line was not cut off, so they were able to return from the middle. I don't think this is actually a problem at this point. Let's remove this. I don't think it's actually important. I want my copper chains to go mostly to the left. What is going on here? What is this? Coal? Copper? Wow. I cannot believe we have traffic jams here. I cannot believe this is happening. Do we need to do anything? Fix it. Like, I wouldn't call what we've done here as a fix to the problem. It doesn't look fixed to me. And now another chain will come. Come on. Seriously? Okay, maybe it is kind of bad because trains here will take forever to speed up, and then we'll get another one. Another copper chain trying to go to that side. Interesting. So it would be fine for me to let copper chains actually go here. Okay, let me move over there. To let them take this turn, go here, and then go down here. So it would be an alright idea to connect some copper outposts to this point, right? Do I have copper? I do have this to copper outposts. So if I connect them to this line, it would actually make things a little bit easier on this intersection. At least I think so. I mean, things are not exactly bad now. We have this copper train going there very rarely, like once in a while. But it's enough to interrupt this flow. This occasional train is enough to interrupt the flow of iron trains going out. See, we don't have any traffic jams here. Have some out of train on that side. We have a lot of copper chain going. Even iron chain is going there. That is very, very interesting. Maybe I could still penalize iron chains going to the left. I don't want iron chains to go to the left. Yep, I don't. So how am I gonna fix it? Can I run across? Yep. So I'm gonna fix it by doing the following. This is definitely iron chain. Basically only iron chains, well, mostly iron chains will take this route. I will add some extra train stops here. Let's do it. Just add a bunch of train stops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 10, right? How many are here? Yep, 10. And another 10. Oh, I don't have 10 with me. It's alright. We'll just have 10 here. 10 train stops. Wait, what? I am confused. How many are here? 9. Why do I have 9? I think I was supposed to have 10. Okay, let's bring my Spartans there. So what I want to prevent iron trains from taking left turn, and that's kind of what I've done. Oh, look at this. We don't have a problem anymore. It all looks good. This is 10. Could even add another 10. Like, really penalize it. The path to the left for the iron. You want, like, we want to go to this spot, to the west, to get iron. We have here a tiny congestion on the input, but I mean, it's even difficult for me to call it congestion at this point, to be honest. It's normal operation of this intersection. That's completely normal. Well, I guess there is a tiny congestion. Iron, this are all... What? This is a... Right, this is a copper because it went from this side, I would assume. From this side, this is another copper. Oh, come on. It's actually going to take copper from here. No, this is bad. Why would a train from here go there to collect copper? It doesn't make much sense, but okay, we don't have a lot of copper, we have only like 2.5 million. Well, 25 million, I should say. It is not a lot, so it's okay. We will run out of this copper pretty soon. Now, most of this iron will go to the right. Yep, good. This one, this is copper. It's okay. Wait, what is going on here? So the trains that are waiting for this train to get a priority to move forward. Unfortunate. I mean, it looks like it's barely enough. It's like almost enough. Let's take a look at processing units. How many have we been producing? We've been producing over last hour on average 10,000 per minute. That's what I want, so it seems to be fine. If you look at sciences, how were the sciences over last hour? Not good. Not good. We seem to have maybe a shortage of production science. No way. I don't believe it. This looks very strange. Is it really production science that's bottleneck? It's supposed to be space science, not the production science. Production science looks good to me. Looks really good. We fixed it in the previous episode. We are not supposed to have any issues with it anymore. We have some balancing of the stone, which is alright. We have full belt of furnaces here, furnaces there. I mean, I feel like this spot alone should be enough to completely use up triple science. I don't understand what is going on here. We have a shortage of steel, maybe? How many steel trains? 2 steel trains are on the way. If you look at resources, we have lots of steel trains, lots of iron trains, lots of copper trains here, so everything's looking great. here, if we look at the green circuits are looking great again. Nothing really to be done here. Have lots of green circuits, it's perfect. Two trains should be here, yep. This part with red circuits. How many red circuits we have? We have red circuits here. This is like these trains are refusing basically to go. Well, I guess we could add a bit of red circuit trains. But it doesn't seem to be a problem, that's the thing. Oh wait, we're actually taking them from here and delivering them there. What a mess. What a mess. Let me reduce train limit to 1 here. And here also to 1. We have how many trains in total? I guess we have enough. But I basically want to reduce them to 1 for now. We'll need to have a better stacker here for the trains. At least fully loaded trains, so that they can always just stay here somewhere. Yeah, this area could be... Wait, where do the trains normally go? I think they normally go here and exit on that side, or maybe here. I need to figure this out. I'll need to kind of think about it a bit. What else do we have? This part. It's... I think... I feel like it got better. It's not perfect. We have a lot of chains, a lot of iron chains trying to make right turn and kind of failing to do it in a timely manner. Yeah. Oh no, look at this. This is bad. The trains are having problems making a right turn. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This seems to be a pretty huge problem. This is a huge problem. I don't want iron trains to go there at all. To prevent them. I mean, I could potentially completely cut this path off. This would allow iron trains to go only and over there, but then it will also make the copper chains job much more difficult when they want to get back. Yeah. Have I fixed the problem? Can I say that I fixed it? At least we have iron chains waiting here, so we reached saturation of iron chains. This is good. It wasn't the case in the beginning of the episode. We also don't have any trains waiting right here in the stacker, but they're like what we have currently here, it's almost the same. They're almost waiting in the stacker. And actually this line of trains, they're trying to make right turn here. It's almost the same, now that I think about it, as this train's trying to make a right turn here, because their paths cross right here at this spot. So at this spot, they cross. And it's probably... is it suboptimal? They're supposed to be taking turns, right? They're kind of taking turns. One, and then this train will go through. Then another train will go through. And then this one will go through. And then another one will go. And this one. I feel like it's alright. Then again, this train will go through. Looks like a clock, like this train slows down a little bit. But it's okay, because the other one is starting to move pretty early on. This one is slowing down. I could speed up train movement here by adding another like signal. But I'm just not sure. I'm not sure about it. So it could cause so many problems with the shorter trains trying to go in there. I think I'm better off leaving it as is right now and just hoping that it will be enough to sustain the copper demand of this base. How is our copper demand played? So this episode is pretty long, I understand this. Let's see, we're producing 74 steel, 425 copper, and 560 iron. And our consumption of the copper is 438. The main thing that we're using copper for is circuits, right? Specifically red circuits, if I'm not mistaken. So it's like, oh, and green circuits. We do see a significant increase in the production of green circuits. About red circuits are kind of flat. Processing units, let's take a look at them. I mean, look at this. Just look what happened with processing units lately. We're producing a ton of them. Really good stuff. 10,000 per minute. That's the target, that's our target. Maybe we'll reach a saturation at some point. Let's take a look at something. We're producing 10,000 per minute. We're consuming only 7.8 because that's our science, basically. Usage 7.8. Well, it says 7, but it's close enough. So, can I say that this is done? I can't really say that this part is done, but it's not as bad as it used to be, and we don't have traffic jam here anymore. This thing is not a huge traffic jam, right, because we have nothing in the stackers. So I call it a win. I call it, like, it's fine. The trains are not actually staying still and, like, waiting. I mean, they're waiting a little bit here, but I don't think it's a big deal. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna call it a job well done. Or, you know, a job done. It's done. It works. We added a couple of bypass paths to ease up the load on this tiny area. I also lowered the amount of like the distance that the trains need to go through this like single point, which was maybe not the most important thing to do, because majority of the trains actually take a left turn here, and added some signals here to kind of hack a little bit the path and to make it slightly better. Not sure whether it worked. I mean, it's probably alright. I would love to see some extra trains just waiting here, but I don't see them. I don't see them now. We have 7 trains en route, and we have 18 trains en route. Okay, we have a limit of 24 trains. Can support more than 24 trains going there at the same time. So it's pretty good. If you look at the trains here, yeah, they're just... They... What? Why are these trains here? What are they waiting for? No. Guys, leave from here. I don't want you here. What about these trains? What are you doing? Okay, this is going away. It's fine. This are fine. This will send them out. It's alright. Copper is alright. We do have some shortage of iron trains, it seems like. Let's also send all of this on the way. It's like not exactly getting unloaded at this point. This one is getting unloaded. Okay, this one's looking good. Let's take a look at this one. I don't want you here. Just go. This one, I don't want you. Go somewhere. This one's been unloaded. They are kind of stuck in a partially emptied state. These are full, ready to be unloaded. These are full. It's good. Good. Yeah, I think this is fine. I think the current state of the trains is fine. We have, yeah, something strange with iron, but it will rebalance itself, hopefully. This one, what are you waiting for? Just go. Actually, you know what? I could also send this train on the way. Just go, we'll get another iron train here in a moment. So, here we go. We should have quite a bit more trains waiting on this this train stackers. But yeah, I think the station is better than it used to be. Maybe I didn't change anything. Maybe I did. I would like to think, I believe that I did improve the situation here a tiny bit, just a tiny amount. Good. Let's take a break. This was a very, very long episode. I'm sorry about that. Thank you very much for following this series and watching the episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!